Okay, I'm live now. And I think so it will take some time to others to join. So let me just do my entertainment. आओगे जब तुम साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे बरसेगा सावन बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे आओगे जब तुम हो साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे नैना तेरे कजरारे हैं नैनों पे हम दिल हारे हैं अनजाने ही तेरे नैनों ने वादे किए कई सारे हैं Oh, great, Abhishek, you are here. Hi, Abhishek, how are you? Hope you are fine, in good health. Thank you for joining this session. Yeah, hi. So I just wanted to come live and say thank you to each and everyone who has liked Mere Khayal and followed me. How are you? Yeah, Abhishek, I'm good. So if any question you have, you can just ask. I'm ready to answer. And once again, I would like to say thank you everyone for liking Mere Khayal. Each like, each follow matters a lot to me. I feel appreciated. Thank you so much. And also I have just posted one more khayal. I'll just Okay, Abhishek, who is your favorite actor or actress? My favorite actress is Alia Bhatt. I like Alia Bhatt a lot. I think she's a good actress. So yeah, I like Alia Bhatt. Hello Pulkit sir, how are you? Hope you are in good health. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking Mere Khayal. Yeah, so I was saying that I had just posted my khayal and I'll just say a few lines. ऐ मेरे ख्याल तुम रोज़ आना मेरे अंदर के शायर को रोज़ जगाना बिन तुम्हारे अधूरी सी हूँ मैं मुझे पूरा करने ज़रूर आना ऐ मेरे ख्याल तुम रोज़ आना ऐ मेरे ख्याल तुम रोज़ आना Hi Sakshi, thank you for joining. Thank you for liking Mere Khayal. Thank you everyone. Yeah, so that मेरे ख्याल is my favorite that I have just posted on my YouTube channel, and I really missed. I had stopped writing, but again now I have started, thanks to Instagram, that I'm able to share मेरे ख्याल with you. So, and thank you everyone for liking it. Is there some issue? Who is your inspiration? Okay, my inspiration for writing, I just started writing when I was in 9th standard. I was a very introvert kind of person, so I never had any stage appearances in school. I was not active in any such things. But one day when I was in 9th class, I just felt that my name should be there. There was people came for school magazine. They were asking if someone has some a poem or other material that they will publish in our school magazine. So instantly I just wrote a poem on pollution, and it got published. So that inspired me that yes, I can write. Any more questions? And in general, if on a scale of 1 to 10, how scared are you of spiders? Oh my god, I'm very much scared. 10 to any kind of insects or anything, I'm scared. I totally am. बहुत डर लगता है मुझे इन सब चीज़ों से. I'm afraid of dog, I'm afraid of everything, every animal or insects or whatever you say. Any more questions? And today I have just posted my ख्याल like आसान नहीं पाना कुछ भी है, हिम्मत जुड़ी हुई मेहनत से. So please do read it. It's very inspiring. Do you have siblings? Yeah, I have siblings. I have 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother. My elder sister, she is in US. She's pursuing her postdoctorate from Harvard. And my younger sister is an actor. And my brother is doing his studies. He's computer science. He's doing computer science, and he's in 3rd year. Yeah, so I was just telling about my siblings. Any more questions? And again, I want to thank everyone who liked my मेरे ख्याल. Abhishek, when did you start dancing or acting? I don't know acting. I don't know acting at all. My sister is an actor, but she has all that trait of actress, but I don't know how to act. But yeah, dancing. I used to dance with my sister when I was a kid. We used to dance a lot every day. Okay, you want to learn Urdu, from where I can learn? Frankly speaking, I don't know. I don't know Urdu, so sorry, I can't. I don't know. But Duolingo is the app where you can learn any language. So I think so you can learn Urdu from there. I also want to learn Urdu. I think it's a good language for writing, for expressing feelings. So yeah, so I started dancing since childhood. I was like 4th, 5th class, but I never performed on stage. I had stage fear, so for me, dancing in front of people or in front of camera it was a very big thing, so I never participated. But now once I have grown up, I feel that it's okay, you can express yourself in front of people. Oh, Abhishek, are you single? What do you think when you read Mere Khayal? What do you think? Do you think I'm single or not? I want to ask you. Oh, did you get vaccinated? No, I will get vaccinated very soon. On 8th of June, from our office, I'll get vaccinated. Hi Charishma, how are you? Thank you for joining. Yeah, so I will get vaccinated very soon. Hope you got yourself vaccinated. It's very important, because the only vaccine and following safety measures can help us in this difficult time. So I hope and pray that all of you are safe. So any questions, I'm ready to answer. This is my first live. I thought I'll do live once I'll get 100 followers, but I don't know when it will happen, so I just came. I'm like, okay, let it be. What is your favorite thing to do on holidays? Oh, I like to ride, I like to dance, and now we cannot go out, so I just I like spending time with my family. I live with my family, so I'm lucky enough that I'm getting to spend time with them. Yes, writing is something that I really cherish. It's it's my love. Writing is my love. And also now I'm active on Instagram, so I like to be on Instagram on holidays to be more active. Anything else that you would like to ask? नैना तेरे कजरारे हैं, नैनों पे हम दिलहारे हैं, अनजाने ही तेरे नैनों ने वादे किए कई सारे हैं, सपनों का जहां वो खिला खिला, बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे, आओगे जब तुम हो साजना, अंगना फूले खिलेंगे. I hope you liked it. Thank you for asking me to sing, Abhishek. I did it for you. This is my favorite song. I just love this. It's very, very, I don't know, I just love it. Hi Sachin. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking मेरे ख्याल. Thank you everyone. So let me just sing another song. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा. महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके है जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, घूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा. I hope you liked it. I like singing also. Yeah, I'm not a singer. I have not learned singing, but I love to sing. I like to dance. I like to sing, and I love to write. Writing is my passion. So you all are encouraging me to write more and more and share with you. So I'm so much grateful, so much thankful to each of you. Thank you so much. And for the Telugu followers, for my Telugu friends, I know one Telugu song also. Yes, I know a little bit of Telugu, Abhishek. So yeah, I can sing few lines in Telugu. Nenu nuvantu వేరయ్యున్నా నాకే వేడా నీలు నేను నట్టుగా అనిపిస్తూ ఉందే వింతగా నా కోసం నేనే బతికేందాగా ఒకసారి చూసినే వారి చాలా నిన్న వీడిపోదు మగువైనా ప్రేమిస్తానే ఎంతో గాఢంగా నా ప్రేమలోకిలో మునిగై కాక పైకి తేలువే సులభంగా ప్రాణాలైనా ఇస్తా వేతంగా నేను నువ్వంటూ వేరే ఉన్నా నాకే వేళ నేను నట్టుగా అనిపిస్తూ ఉందే వింతగా నా కోసం నేనే బతికేందాగా. Pardon my Telugu. So if you are wondering then that how do I know Telugu, then I have lived in Hyderabad for 2 years. I did my inter college from Hyderabad. So there I learned, and I got so wonderful people, so wonderful friends, so many friends. I never had so many friends. First time I had so many friends. So I really liked staying in Hyderabad, being there with so many great lovable people. So which creator would you like to collaborate with? I am just new on Instagram, so I don't know much about other creators, but anyone who wants to collaborate with me, I'm ready. I have no issues. And also so many people have asked me that where are you from. So I want to tell you that I'm from India. That's all. That's what I have said to everyone. Yes, and there's a reason behind it. Why do I say that I belong to India? Because I do not consider myself to belong to one particular state, and there's reason. Because if you ask me where I was born, then there's no one particular state, because at that time that city was in Madhya Pradesh, which now comes under Chhattisgarh. Now if you ask me from which state I did my schooling, so the answer is Uttar Pradesh. I did my schooling from 1st to 10th in UP. Then My father got transferred to Hyderabad. I did my inter college there. And then if you ask me from where I did my college, then the answer is Haryana. I did mechanical engineering from Haryana, and currently I'm living in Haryana. I'm working for an MNC here in Haryana. So that's why I don't see myself to belong to one particular state. But if you are asking that from which state my parents are, then the answer is Haryana. Yes. Came back to my parents' native state, Haryana. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. Now I would like to end this live here. Thank you so much for liking Mere Khayal. Keep liking, keep supporting me. It helps me a lot. It means a lot for me. Thank you everyone.